Hello and welcome to the brand new episode of Vets Talk. I am Uday Singh Karki, a final year veterinary student at Institute of Agriculture and Animal Science, Rampur. Behind me, behind me you can see the elephants housed in the shed and showing their particular behavior. By now you should know, you should have guessed I am here at Chitwan National Park and today we are talking about heat stress in elephants and their stereotypic behaviors. So to talk more about heat stress and elephants, we have here with us intern of Institute of Agriculture and Animal Science, Mr. Sudhir Yadav. So let's welcome him.
Hello.
So here with us we have present intern from Institute of Agriculture and Animal Science, Mr. Sudhir Yadav, and we would like to talk about his internship going on here. So you have been quite a long time here. How is the place and how is your research going on?
Yeah, I've been here for last 35 to 40 days and it's going on well. Actually, it was quite summer and maybe today it's a bit cold, but yeah, Sora is a nice place and
Okay.
everything is
So
fine.
we'd like to talk more about your research interests and what is the topic.
My topic internship is to investigate the extent of heat stress in elephant under different environment. So actually, environment means housing environment.
And I guess this place is favorable for your research. So how do you find this place and the correlation between your topics?
Yeah, actually, Sauraha, which is in inner Tarai of Nepal. So temperature goes up to 44, 45, and and it's almost 38, 39.5 degrees Celsius these days. So yeah, I choose this place because it's close to Institute of Agriculture and Animal Science, as well as temperature is high for heat stress and behavior of elephants is also good. I'm getting good results.
And what do you think the objectives of this research maybe? What are the objectives?
Yeah, I'll be the main objective is general objective is to investigate heat stress in elephant under different environment. So the environment will be housing, that is here you can see the elephants are kept inside tin, and on the next side there are elephants without tin roof, and in the NTNC they are kept in an electric fence. So I'll be comparing the behavior of elephants under those three types of environment, and other specific objective will be like when sun comes from eastern side, the elephant are inside shade, but when the sun goes to west, and while in the evening they comes in a sun. So I'll within the same housing environment, I'll be comparing the elephants behavior when they are in sun as well as when they are in shade.
Okay. So we'll be studying about the stereotypic behavior in the
Yeah.
elephants during the heat periods of the day, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, then we'd like to know more about this topic and what do you think? What are the methodologies employed to study the heat stress in elephants?
Yeah, actually, for that research, I have taken parameters such as stereotypic behavior, and the main parameter is air flapping, which is their we can say it's fan working as fan, and it does thermoregulation for elephants. So main is air flapping, stereotyping, and then dust bath, which elephant usually does when they are in heat, as well as sweating from the toes. So these are the four parameters I'll be seeing, and for that I'll be filming each elephant of this Hathisa as well as NTNC and breeding center for each elephant 5 minutes, and then I'll be viewing that in slow motion on in laptop, and then I'll be taking data from there, and later on it will go for further analysis.
Okay, he will analyze the data after viewing that video.
Yeah.
Okay, that is the methodology he has employed to study the heat stress in elephants here at Saura, Kasara, and Khorsor.
Yeah.
Is it right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, I guess it must be difficult for you to conduct this sort of research here. Did you find anything previously done of the same kind of research anywhere in this world or in Nepal previously?
Yeah, yeah. There are few papers, not much as I have thought, but like a few papers, two, three papers from India, as well as just a quite number of papers from foreign. So they are quite similar, but not exactly same. And this is the first time in Nepal. So I had got some problem, but my co-advisor, who is from Finland, she has assisted me with the methodology, and we have developed our own methodology for this research.
Okay. And it's been quite time you are here at Chitwan National Park, so you must have encountered some of the interesting cases here. Would like to describe to the viewers about the interesting cases here?
Yeah, I have gone through many cases of this, mainly one on rhino, which is the endangered species and only found in Nepal and India in the world. So, and I have encountered that rhino. It was severely injured, and we have to translocate it from around 90 kilometers from here, and we left it a few days before in the same jungle of Chitwan National Park here. And the other cases was postmortem of tiger and large Indian civet cat and deer. So every day there are any few cases coming on, and they are all interesting. So I'm having fun here.
Okay, before we end this topic, we would like to know about the outcome or conclusion of the research topic he has been doing since some 3 or 4 months period. Okay, I would like to know about the conclusion you can draw from this research, and that will be helpful to all those interested in the wildlife research. Like to share about the
Actually, before my assumption was that while comparing this elephant's housing, so the heat stress in elephant which are without roof will get the maximum will have maximum air flapping as compared to this thin roof and in electric fence. So, but while doing on this study, later I'm feeling that the result is a bit different. Like when they are in tin roof and the temperature is too high, you can see the tin is in a shape. So what happens is hot air cannot escape from there, and the elephant gets more heat when they are in tin as compared to open, because air keeps on blowing in open. So it's quite different as I have assumed. So let's see finally what happens.
Okay, so by now, viewers, we are at the end of the Birds Talk show, and for some more episodes to come, and we'll be talking more with interns and birds on different research topics they are going on. Thank you very much, Sudhir, for joining us.
Thank you for calling me. Thank you. Bye bye.
For any curiosity on the research topic done by Sudhir Yadav, please feel free to contact him at vetdocsudhir@gmail.com.